environments where workers are subject to long hours and high-stress conditions. Lastly, there's the supply chain. The components and finished processors have to be transported across the globe, and there's a potential for child labor, particularly in countries where regulations are lax or non-existent. It's important to note that not all companies engage in these unethical practices. Many are making strides towards more responsible production practices, investing in safer working conditions, and working to eliminate child labor from the supply chains. However, the potential for these issues to arise remains, making it a pressing concern. The manufacturing process of AI processors is complex and fraught with potential ethical pitfalls. As we continue to rely on technology in our daily lives, it's crucial that we consider not just the benefits, but also the ethical implications of these advancements. Only then can we strive for a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also ethically sound. Given these ethical concerns, how can we ensure responsible AI processor manufacturing practices? The answer lies in a multifaceted approach. First, we need to enhance transparency in the supply chain. This means that every step of the manufacturing process, from sourcing raw materials to the final assembly, should be open to scrutiny. Second, we need stricter regulations. Governments and international bodies can enforce these, setting standards for ethical manufacturing and punishing those who don't comply. Third, we shouldn't underestimate the role of consumers. By demanding ethically produced goods, consumers can drive companies towards more responsible practices. However, these solutions don't exist in isolation. They're part of a broader framework of collective responsibility. It's not just about what one company, one regulator, or one consumer can do. It's about what we as a society can do together. The road to ethical AI processor manufacturing is challenging, but with collective responsibility and action, it is a goal within reach.